everybody! How are you doing today? I'm Miss Carmen and I'm here to tell you what to do for your science center of the day.
So, the materials we're going to be using today are paint in the colors that you want, the pasta you got in your folder, and a paintbrush, a white piece of paper, or the printed version of the wings of a butterfly that you can find in Google Classroom, a pencil and a Sharpie marker, or any kind of marker that you have around, your watercolors, a paintbrush, a container for the water, and a little piece of cloth. Are you ready? Let's go! So, you can print out the wings that you can find in Google Classroom. But if you want to make your own wings, then you can use a white piece of paper and start making your own wings. So I'm going to make a big one around here, as big as I can. Now that you have the design that you like, we're going to trace it over with a Sharpie marker. I use a Sharpie marker, so it's not a water marker, because we're using watercolors today, and I want my designs to be there when I use my watercolors. Okay, now with my pencil, I'm going to make any decisions you want to make in here. This is yours to decorate as you please. Just remember, here in the middle, we're going to have a stick, okay? I'm just going to make this little one so I can remember that. So use your imagination. You can make lines and dots or curvy shapes and circles, anything you want. Remember that the wings on the butterflies are symmetrical, so try to do the same design in both sides. Now that I have the design that I like, I will trace it over again with my Sharpie marker. Let's go! Now that I finished with the design that I like, it's time for us to add some color. So here I have my watercolors, my container with a little bit of water, my paintbrush, and my cloth. Okay, so use your imagination and the colors that you like. Remember not to use that much water so the paper won't break. Ready. Now that our design is colored, we can put it aside to dry. Now remember, if you wait for it to dry a little bit and you want to add some more color, the more water you use in watercolors, the lighter the color will be. The less water you use, the darker the color will be. And you can add a little bit on top. Did you see how I did this? You can practice. This is your own art. So go for it and try to do as good as you can. For the second part of this activity, we're going to be painting the pasta that we got. So I'm going to have these little butterflies, and these are going to be our little caterpillars. And we have the pupa here. We have two of them. And here, some of the eggs, you see? Okay, so as you can see, I'm using this so I don't get all dirty my table. So I have an extra surface here to work. Now I'm going to choose the color that I like. I have some colors here around me, but you can use the colors that you have around in your house. Any color will do.
So, now that you have all your materials prepared, let's wait for them to get dry and put them somewhere safe so you can use them for the Zoom meeting tomorrow with your teachers. I hope you have an amazing afternoon and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.